What's up YouTube and welcome back to the DIY Beard. My name's Jez and I'm the man behind the beard, and in today's episode we're going through what all of this wonderful stuff is behind me as part of the shop upgrade. Now if you haven't already done so and you are new to the channel, please do go and hit that subscribe button. If you are looking to support me as a channel, please don't go and forget to hit that like button. It really does help boost these videos and get that out across the YouTube nation. So, I mentioned to you a few videos ago that we were considering looking to upgrade the workshop itself. 2021 hopefully will have some good things coming for the DIY beard, and in order to do that we've got to have a fully functioning workshop to allow us to do what we want to do. So, there have been some slight changes, and the first one is that we've added a new cupboard. I didn't film any of that because, let's face it, well, it's boring, but as you can see we do have some new tools that have appeared across the workstation. So first of all, we do have a drill press. I struggled previously with the XV when it came to trying to get the basically what I tried to do was I tried to put bar end mirrors on it, and doing that with a hand drill just was, well, pardon the pun, but it wasn't cutting it. So we've actually, to be fair, I'll be quite honest with you, all of this here has all been donated to me by my father-in-law. I can't thank him enough. This is some of the dream tooling that I've been looking for, and to be given it is an absolute honour. So, you know, Tony, if you're watching, if you do watch the channel, I hope you do, you should do. You're a member of the family, so therefore you're a member of the DIY Nation. Thank you so much. This will definitely come in handy. But what do we have here? So like I said, we've got the drill press, standard piece of equipment really. This here is a CNC engraving machine. It comes with the base unit, monitor, keyboard. We have the computer system for it there. So yeah, so I want to try and have a look at getting some engraving done. Nothing too fancy realistically. Whether we can put some, you know, custom DIY beard stuff on a couple of the bikes, that'd be absolutely fantastic. Never ever done CNC machining before, so it'll be a learning curve. And what I want to do is I want to take you guys along with me on that journey, just because that's what we're here for. It's a DIY beard. It's to basically say to you guys, do you know what? You can go out, you can do this yourself, you can save a few quid. The only thing I would say is, when we say it's a DIY beard, none of this, I am not a professional. So if you are copying what I do, that is fine. Do not blame me if it goes wrong. I'm not a professional, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not an engineer in any way, shape or form. It's just, to be honest, what I am is I'm a cheapskate. I don't want to pay somebody to go and work on my bikes, work on the house, on the workshop, whatever it may be. So I do it myself. But I do want to be complete open and honest with you, because what I don't want is anybody saying, "Oh, you do that wrong and oh, you shouldn't do that." I get that, but this is me doing my way and how I want to do it. So yeah, don't get me wrong, if you've got anything to comment, I'll obviously take your comments into consideration, but ultimately this is not a how-to channel in any way, shape or form. It's just basically, like I said, to motivate you. Anyway, enough of rambling on. Back to the tools. So, the one I am excited about the most, so if we move this gigantic monitor away, is this. It's a lathe, and well, it is what it is. It's a lathe. It's come with a mountain of accessories. I've already started tidying some of this away. I have probably a little bit of OCD when it comes down to tools. I like everything away. I don't really like a lot of stuff out and about all scattered across the worktop. So all of this is causing me some severe anxiety. But yeah, we've got a lathe. Again, never used a lathe before. Started watching some YouTube channels on it. My dad actually used to work for Keele University. He came down yesterday drooling over it, saying that he was incredibly jealous. Dad, for you, this is our lathe. So when I say it's our lathe, I'm going to be really cheeky. Considering you used to work at university as an engineer, I'm hoping you can show me how to use it. But yeah, I thought we'd have a go really. Spacers, etc., stuff like that. This is going to be handy for, instead of faffing about and trying to find them on Amazon or shops or anything like that. We can make our own in-house now, which is going to be great. Few other tools that I've got on the wish list. I get a compressor. I don't know why I'm showing you a picture of this, but basically the compressor's going to go over here in this direction. I'm hopefully going to have some air hosing up here that can run across the ceiling. And yeah, that's going to be there because obviously we've done painting before. You get a much better finish with a gun. I am fully aware that this is not a professional spray booth in any way, shape or form. But again, we're going to be giving it a go. Especially the GSXR. It's a 20-year-old bike. So the paint finish isn't great at the moment. I don't think I can probably make that any worse. I say that and I'm going to cross my fingers because I realise I've probably just jinxed the entire project. So those are the new additions. We are going to be, and again this might be really sad, but when I took out the old kitchen, I saved all of the units and I'm going to be changing the existing brown to match the white. Why? I have no idea. Probably because I'm a sucker for punishment and that's what I want to do. Now, you may catch a glimpse of what is above me, but basically it's the roof itself. Again, I built this garage / worktop myself probably a couple of years ago, and the lighting in here, well, it's okay, but it sucks basically. We're going to need to get some lighting over the lathe to make that nice and bright when we're doing everything in there. So these are the things that are going to come during that time. So yeah, so that's... It's just a quick video really, just to let you know what's going on, what we've done so far, the sort of tools that we've got. Like I said, if you've got any suggestions for tools, anything you think I should be doing in the future, just let me know. Welder, that's one that I get mentioned quite a lot. Never welded before. The sheer fact of melting metal onto metal kind of scares me. But my dad's on about getting a welder, so I think what we'll do is we'll leave that to him, and then if we need any welding work, we'll go up and we'll steal it. Any excuse to get in his workshop, because like I said, I'm trying to steal his Ducati every time, just so I can go out on a test ride. But yeah, that's... I keep rambling. I'm so excited. Like, I am so excited to have a lathe. It does work. So open that up. I mean, I say it works. It worked yesterday. It's probably because the wiring at the moment is just running off an old extension. I have got to upgrade some of the wiring in here as well, just to go with a new workbench. But yeah, as I said a million times before, if you haven't already done so, please do go and hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button if you want to see lathe and CNC machine experiments. I am looking forward to getting that done. No idea how to do any of it, but like I said, let's fail together basically. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you again soon. Goodbye.